Ponds are a key habitat for wildlife. We work with lots of farmers to do restoration work around quite old ponds. So this pond in particular was really heavily shaded by some mature willow trees. So what we did over a couple of seasons during the winter was remove those trees, open up the pond to more light, and that has then allowed the pond plants to flourish again. It's really important to manage ponds long term. Too much shade and leaf litter can cause problems for the oxygen levels in the pond and reduce the amount of vegetation that will grow. One of the reasons why we have to intervene and manage the ponds is because we've lost some of the keystone species from our landscape that we've hunted to extinction. So beavers, for example, are a real key animal that would have felled trees in the past for food. They would keep areas like this open and dynamic, and they would also block watercourses with their dams and allow watercourses to flood land and create habitat like this naturally. So our work is essentially replicating what they would be doing in the landscape themselves. Ponds are a fantastic magnet and oasis for our farmland birds. So when we tend to do surveys, we find yellowhammers, tree sparrows, all these kind of declining birds. They're utilising this habitat for the fantastic invertebrate assemblage that we've got here now. So we're seeing a lot of these marginal, quite rare plants for Warwickshire. So things like water crowfoot, starworts, potamogeton, so pond weeds. And these are all fantastic habitat for all the invertebrates that we tend to find in ponds. So your dragonfly larvae, great diving beetles, reptiles, frogs, newts, all that sort of thing. This type of work is what the Wilder Waters Appeal will be helping to fund.